Hello guys, what's up? So let's say you decide to be an actor, yeah? So, and you new one, you don't have any education and you didn't done any theater job and so on. So how to become a great actor, yeah? Of course, like in anything else, same like with the music instruments or any kind of sport, the more you practice, is better you are. So need just to get started. So now it's way more easier. You have a lot of courses online, a lot of videos about, you can go library and take a lot of books. So let's say Stanislavski, on my opinion, one is the greatest one, and all other books you will read is like will be kind of interpretation. But just in case, you can read a few, so you can compare. So basically what he said, you need to collect your movements, use your voice, so you can use your movements, I mean body language, and your voice, what will make feel stronger, what you try to show. And main idea, it's like start to feel something like anger or unconfidence or fear, and after you from inside show it outside and show with your body language and your emotions and your voice and whatever. Opposite side, how you show it from outside, from your voice, your body movements, and you get inside and start to feel it. What is more comfortable for you, it's up to you, and your imagination is key. Your imagination, just you need to feel it and you need to believe who you are. So you need to know about certain character, everything you want to, and when you know how he is feel like, how he behave, yeah, and you can be this character. And when you believe it, so other people will believe it you are as well. And if you have a chance, go to some workshops or schools or any training have around, just go for it. Like many famous actors, sometimes they go even not other area in other city for take a training course for become a better actor. So now with our technology it's way more easier. You need just practice, and usually what teachers say, like after 100 hours you're supposed to be it better from a point you now. So just get going, take some books, take your courses, take your videos, and let's go. But of course practice with a group, it's much better. And if you don't have any, you stay in the middle of nowhere, just take your friends, try to practice with your friends, do different exercises. Maybe I'll mention some in the next videos, we'll see if this will be interesting for you. So take your friends, do different exercises, some psychological exercises really good as well. Have a tons of book now. For example, you can look on a person and you try to understand what he think about by his body language or when you talk to you or so on. So basically if you take some book about body language, it will be great plus. So you will be know not only how to read the person, and you will be know how to show something. For example, on casting sometimes you have a task like show something, some situation or whatever only by body language or only acting by your eyes, so you're acting by your eyes. But not many people know, if you didn't study psychology, so your eyes can tell a lot. It's a truly smile or not truly smile, but your lips can say even more, like depressed or stressed or you're happy or relaxed. So you play with your lips also, and it can be really tricky task, like you need to show a person who have a fake happiness or fake smile. So you show a person who fake with a fear or something, you know, and something like that. So make your exercises more complicated. And also you can play different roles, depend what characters you like, but the more you try is better for you. So your mirror will be your best friend. You can play on a mirror, take your phone or camera, just record yourself, look, do you like yourself or not? If it's shit, try make it again, try different role and so on, play it. And will be great, plus some exercises for your memory. Have tons as well, what works better for you. Maybe I'll mention some later on as well, because sometimes you'll get a role and script not finished yet. They finish script very quickly, especially like in India or China, it's happened a lot. They can make a script like on the next day or finish on a day of shooting. So they give you like 1 or 2 pages of lines and you need to memorize it very quick. And if you not memorize it, you cannot play it well. So you need to know what you will say with what emotions and so on. Another place where you practice your acting skills for free you can go as a volunteer to some theater, make a performance. It's a lot of in USA, Europe and New Zealand and Australia. If you're somewhere there, okay, go as a volunteer for 1 month, 2 months or so. So it will be a great reference for you. You've been in the theater, play some roles for a couple of months as a volunteer. Same if you do the stunt job, you can go as a volunteer for do some performance. I worked one time for disabled kids. We do some performance, and some organization proposed me, and I said, okay, let's try. I have a free training. Basically, they train you basic things like handstands, some flips and so on, but still, if like in you, this will be great for you. And also it's like mixed with the acting performance, so you can have a free training, and afterwards like I really appreciate that organization who do such things for not only disabled kids and for poor kids and families and so on, but I never feel so much compassion in my life. And I don't know, I was interested in like esoteric and philosophy before, but after that I even start asking even more questions like why it's happened and so on. And you know, actually I don't feel I wasted time or something. I feel even lighter. You do something for other people, and no matter you spend a lot of time and energy, but still you can use it for yourself just as a free training and free courses. Just will do it for a couple of months or so. So basically just try to search where's needed performer or comedian for free, and if they provide some trainings, and usually some organizations who will do it like for kindergarten, poor families and so on, even travel abroad and do performances and stuff like that. So they'll give you training, you can get a good experience. If you do it for several months, you'll be way more experienced than you are now, for sure. And another way, you can go work for some amusement park, or let's say Disneyland, or it's held now, but now Disneyland, they bought Marvel and Star Wars. It was separate before, and you can play some, let's say, Marvel character or so. In other video I will explain a bit more, but it is this one I just want to stop on a point. So if you will do some stage performance as an actor or maybe a stunt, it's not the best job. Usually it's small money, hard work, but you will train there. So you'll practicing every day, you'll play on a stage performance, so you'll make a good reference for you, and you have experience, you'll practice it. So you can spend like, I don't know what's minimum contract, 3 months or more. You can spend a few months and you'll get more experience, and after it will be much better for you. So just check around, depend where you stay, what you have, where you can get the free courses, and go there and training. So don't mind to be a volunteer if you don't have another option. If you have some school, like a modeling school or acting school or some workshop, free or not free, maybe you can cooperate with them, like do some other stuff, and you can go and visit the courses, whatever. Just try to find out by your own, because in different countries and different cities, like it's a lot of stuff like that, and everything like not the same. So it depends. Just try, practice yourself, and also same like music instrument, the more time you spend on it, the better you will be. So it's one of the things how to become a better actor, and I think I'll do some more videos about, for not make this one too long. So I hope it was interesting, and we'll see you in the next video.